welcome to our discussion. Let's hear some of the pointers what these two gentlemen are making, and then we will further discuss on this interesting topic.
Is everyone will own a humanoid and labor will be optional. And those are pretty provocative and I think actually true. You said reducing the cost 10x.
So here is a catch. As one of the speakers correctly articulated, like until you don't reduce or you don't make it affordable to people, they're not going to buy the robot, or they're not in the position to subscribe a robot. You have to look at it from two coordinates. One is affordability, what task it can do. For example, if I am subscribing a humanoid robot for my works to carry out at home, like house chores, like cleaning, laundry, those kind of stuff, even if it's possible cooking, I would love to have one. But the thing is that would it be available in the affordable range? So I believe that these humanoid robot manufacturer or the creators or companies, they have to give a good thought around making them affordable and useful.
Elon's been aggressive on a price tag. He's not always been right on price or schedule. But I think, do you think of these humanoid robots as ultimately converging on a price per kilogram of total weight? And what do you think, 10 years out, 20 years out, these things will actually cost?
So I think I spent all year now looking at how cheap we can make these robots. And the answer really lies in like a bottoms-up analysis of the entire bill of materials cost, where we take basically a list of, call it roughly 1,000 parts, and we start itemizing that down, and then we start understanding at real scale how we're going to procure those parts.
So once again, the critical factor here is that you need to determine the production cost. If you're able to produce in volume, the cost will go down. So how it happens in the car industry. Yeah, what is that price point you're going to keep? That determine a lot, okay?
Buy and what contractual, I was thinking, especially if it makes you money, like if it can go out and do work and things like, it could actually be in the workforce, or it can do things that you would be spending time on during the day. If it can actually be a real utility here, I think, how many would you want?
So I think these newer concepts will evolve as when we start bringing these robots to our home, our offices, and then we start making them part of our work we're doing, whether at a home or in the workplace. That's going to create a very different kind of interaction between human and machines, and it's going to accelerate the use case of these humanoid robots. Thanks for listening.